Hello everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. I'm going to be doing a Yarns Giving giveaway in the month of November. I will put the rules down below and I will also mention them at the end of this video. The drawing will be open until November 25th. My youngest son picked these yarns for you, so I hope that you like them. The first yarn I have for you, it says it's Hoga Red Heart yarn. It's 8 ounces, 212 yards. It is a color is rust. It is a bulky 5. It can be machine washed cold, gentle cycle, and tumble dried low. It is made from 70% acrylic and 30% nylon, and this yarn is made in Turkey. The next yarn I have for you is a Lion Brand Yarns Homespun Thick and Quick. I bought this and thought that I was going to use it. It has been sitting on my shelf for quite a while, so I thought I would share it with hopefully someone who would enjoy using it. It is made in the USA. It is 88% acrylic, 12% polyester. It is listed as a 6 super bulky. The color is Tudor. It is machine washable and dryable. It is a weight of 8 ounces and 160 yards. The next yarn I have for you is the Lion Brand's Cupcake. It is the color of Flower Patch. It is a light 3 weight, 5.3 ounces, 590 yards. It is machine washable and dryable and 100% acrylic. As I'm holding this cake, I'm realizing that the winner of my birthday cakes never claimed their prize. So go back and check out that video as you might be the winner. I'm going to hold it probably for another maybe couple weeks, and if not, I'm going to redraw. The next is another Lion Brand's Basic Stitch. This is the anti-pilling. It's 3.5 ounces, 185 yards, machine washable and dryable. It is 100% acrylic and it is a 4 medium weight, and the color of this one is Prism. Another Lion Brand yarn Basic Stitch for you, but this one is the premium. Again, 3.5 ounces, 219 yards, machine washable and dryable, 100% acrylic. This one, I believe, and the other one is made in Turkey as well. The color of this one is raspberry. This next one is another one that I've had on my shelf for a while. I did make a beanie from the same color scheme before. I just have never used this one, so I thought I would share it with you. And like I said, my youngest picked it out, so here it is in the drawing or giveaway. It is the Red Heart Super Saver Stripes, 5 ounces, 236 yards. It is made in the USA of imported fibers. The color is Neon Stripes. It is a 4 medium weight yarn, 100% acrylic. It is machine washable and dryable. The next yarn I have for you is the Bernat Softy Baby by Yarnspiration. It is the color Soft Lilac. It is a light 3 weight. It looks like it is machine washable and dryable. It is. It's 100% acrylic, 5 ounces and 362 yards. And I think I told you that it was the color was Soft Lilac. So those are the yarns in this giveaway. So I guess what comes next is, how do you enter? Well, since 2020 has been so interesting, I've been trying to make sure that I keep in mind what I am thankful for. So leave a comment of one thing that you're thankful for. I do need you to leave a comment because I do use a random comment selector, and without a comment you can't be entered. Also, you must be 18 years or older to enter. You have to comply with all the YouTube rules and regulations. I've been debating if I want to open this up worldwide. I think I will, but if for some reason the postage is insane or it's going to take forever to get to you, maybe we can work something out and I'll give you a gift card equal to the price of the yarns or something. But if you're international and you win, I'll drop you an email and we can see what we can work out. Also, I am not responsible for any duty, taxes, or fees once it leaves my possession. And also, if your country will not accept this type of mailing, I won't be able to send it to you. Lastly, I'm not affiliated with any of these yarn companies or YouTube. And like I said, this giveaway will be open until Wednesday, November 25th. And as I had mentioned in the video, the person who won my September giveaway, which I can't remember who it was right now, did not claim their prize. So I'm going to hold that till the end of November. So you might want to go back and watch that video to see if you were the winner. If not, at the end of the month, I'm going to pick a new winner. Let's see, what else? I guess there's not much left to say, but peace, love, and happiness to you all. And during these rough times, take care of yourself and take care of one another. See ya.